I've just come home from my summer break and I brought the footage home and started editing. And one thing I did notice was that there were times when no one in the family really wanted to speak, but I wanted to include footage of the place or something we were looking at. And this left dead spots in the video, and this is where I would normally place music. Now I'm going to talk very quickly about where to place music, because that can be a problem for some people, but also it can be a bonus because it can adjust the pace of your shots. So basically what I do is I count the beats in the music, 4 or 3 normally, so it'll be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 if you go with the beat. Or if it's 3, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now I'd subdivide those beats, so anything I want to put a little bit of impact on, I will change on beat 1. So if I'm going to change the shot, I would go 1 2 3 4 change on the first beat, and that would give the shot a little bit of emphasis. If you want to give it slightly less emphasis, I would change it on beat 3, because with beats in music you get 2 beats in 4, a strong one and a weaker one. So I would change on beat number 3, which is 1 2 change and 1 2 change. So I go 1 2 3 4 1 2 change, and that's a less significant change. So if you've got a big shot, change on beat 1. If you've got a less significant shot, change on beat 3. Sorry, I nearly said it wrong then, beat 3. Now the 2 weakest beats are 2 and 4. So if you've got small mini shots, change on those. So for instance you would go 1 2 3 4 1 change, or 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 change. Now the thing is, if you've got lots of little mini shots that are not that important but they're just mini shots, change them on 2s and 4s. So 1 2 3 change, 1 2 change there, 1 3 4 1 2 3 change, 1 changed, 1 change. In other words, you're timing the shots with the beat of the music. Now not only does it fit better, but also it gives different significance to different shots if you change on certain beats, and it also changes the pace of your edit, and it really pushes it along and makes things move. So I've just taken some shots of fish in an aquarium, and if you count along with the beats, you'll see where I've changed the shots for significance, if you like, and also where sometimes instead of just changing shot, I faded over into a next shot, or it's just slightly vaguer. So that's the least important. It's just a sort of a merging thing. And if you do that with your videos, when you've got those quiet moments, you can really speed up the progress, the way the video progresses and the way it moves a lot. Just one thing before I show you the little film of the fish. With this video I made a classic error. The Sony ZV-1, I had it set on the wrong setting, so the ISO was set, instead of being on auto because I was running around, it actually was accidentally switched to the highest ISO, so it's grainy, etc, etc. But I thought, okay, well it's got to be filmed again really, but I can use this footage to show how I would do the timing. So count along with the beats of my music and see if you can see how I've done the edit.